Successful camping tips for beginners and pros. There is nothing better than camping out at night with those close to you. It is widely accepted that camping is a great recreational activity. However, while camping may be a blast, you need to plan for many things when taking a trip. This video contains excellent advice to prepare properly for a camping excursion. Water is critical for your survival when hiking in the backcountry. Carry water purification tablets with you or some sort of water filter that is capable of filtering out bacteria. There are many different kinds available at your local sporting goods store. Whenever you are looking for a water source, make sure the water is flowing. Stagnant water can kill you if not treated properly. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in, or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. Make sure you are aware of what hospitals are close to your campsite and how to get to them. While you don't want to think about anything bad happening on your trip, it is a possibility. Certain injuries will necessitate a visit to the doctor, so it is best to know where to go before something happens, and you are in panic mode. A jungle breakfast is something that could be enjoyed when camping with children. Take smaller boxes of cereal, small cups of fruit and juice boxes away from your site and tie them up to treasurer. Then, have the kids go on a hunt for their breakfast when they awaken. This is a wonderful way to spice up the whole camping trip. As you can see by now, there are many things you should do to plan for your camping trip. Apply all that you have learned here so that your friends and family can have a blast with you in the woods. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.